Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and real-time updates. Also, please leave a like and comment. I've created a Telegram group where we'll share pre-sales and airdrops. You can join right away using the link in the description. Additionally, if you haven't registered on MEXC Exchange and Binance Exchange yet, you can start trading with zero commissions. Currently, the crypto market may not be as exciting as it once was, it's relatively flat and perhaps a bit dull. However, I want to emphasize that these times aren't necessarily as challenging as they may appear. While they do present their own difficulties, especially from a psychological perspective, the challenge isn't primarily related to prices. If we look at the price action, we've been mostly stagnant, and even if we compare our current prices to the beginning of the year, it's not vastly different. The most challenging period in terms of price was the drop from the peak of the bull market cycle in November 2021 to the bear market low in June 2022. Watching an asset retrace by 90% during that time was undeniably tough for many. However, since June 2022, we've essentially been trading sideways. So, if you bought in June of the previous year and are still holding, it's somewhat akin to having your money in a standard savings or checking account. Your value hasn't significantly changed. Sure, there have been moments of volatility, with coins like Shiba Inu experiencing a few 2x surges, which is fantastic for those who caught them. But overall, it's been relatively stable. The real challenge we're facing now isn't about price, it's about sentiment. We're currently in the depression phase on the psychology chart. This is where it feels like there's no end in sight, like your investments have lost all their value, and positivity is in short supply. However, these challenging times are about to transform. It's important to remember that these tough periods are what make investors more resilient and experienced for the next market cycle. Many people entering the crypto space recently haven't experienced a bear market before. This is my first bear market cycle in crypto. But I've been trading various assets for over 2 decades and have weathered economic downturns like the one in 2008. So, while I'd love to see prices rise, I understand that this is an opportunity to gain more experience for the next market cycle. These trying times are where you learn to take profits on the way up and prepare for the next bear market cycle. While it might seem like the hardest time, it's crucial to realize that the challenge is more psychological than anything else. It's all in your mindset. So, let's keep in mind that these tough moments will eventually change. After the Bitcoin halving, as we move into a new bull market cycle, sentiment will improve, and prices will rise. That's when things will start looking up again. While it may seem challenging right now, it's essential to stay educated, especially if you're new to crypto, and understand the psychological and price aspects of the market cycle. I appreciate your attention, and I hope this perspective provides some encouragement during these times. Hang in there, exciting developments and mass adoption are on the horizon. These are indeed intriguing times. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to sharing more insights in the future. Take care.